Hi Jessie and Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Brachiosaurus from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute dinosaur, let's first start by drawing a curve. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start and very lightly just bring a curve coming down. I'm just trying to do it as light as possible because this is just a curve to set where the eyes are. So now that we have this curve, I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to draw the eye. So I'm going to come right about here and curve up, and then it's a little bit bigger and then bring it down. So just these two curves that join. Then from there, I'm just going to imagine this is the bridge, the nose area. So then about right here where the curve starts to come down, I'm going to draw the other eye. So right here, and then we're going to go out. A nice big circle and come right in. There, so something like that. And then I'm going to come right here with a highlight and then shade this all in. And same thing here. So play around with it. Maybe it's easier for you to draw the eyes first and then that curve. Just for me, I just feel like it's easier just to set in this curve so I know where the eyes should go. Okay, so now that I have that, make this a little bit sharper. Now that I have that, I'm going to come right here and we're going to start to draw the snout. So I'm going to come out, I'm going to come down, and then this part is going to go up above the eye. So it's just going to slowly come together. So then from there, let's see here, let's go on this side, let's go up. So then from there, in this area right here, we're going to draw the hump. So we're going to go up on top of the head. So we're going to go up nice and high, just say about there, and then we're going to curve, and then come back right here, and then curve once again. There, and then we're going to bring this down. And come around the eye and down. So you're just creating this big curve for the top of the head. And then right here, we're just going to bring this down. So notice I'm just very tentatively just kind of sketching my way as I draw this dinosaur because it is a little bit more complicated. So just doing these little sketch lines so that I can make sure I know where I'm going before I set everything in. There. Then from there, let's draw in this little detail right here. Just going to come right here and just wobble this curve right there. Then from there, now we know this is the head area. Now we can come back about right here and we're going to start to bring it in for the mouth. So let's curve and we're going to bring it in to give our Brachiosaurus a nice big smile. So we're going to go under the eye and come to about right there. So kind of go up a little bit. There. And then come back right here. Come in, and then right about here we're going to draw the bottom part and come in as well. There, so we're just kind of following that curve at the top. There, hopefully it's starting to look like it. And then about right here, kind of like where it comes down, see about right here, I'm just going to add a little circle for a nostril, kind of around there. So we're just coming down and then we're just going to give it a little bit more of an angle. Now that I'm looking at it. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. It gets a little bit simpler now, I promise. The head is just very complicated. So now that we have that, we're about the same level. I can come about right here and I'm just going to angle down and draw a curve down. And this part is just going to kind of taper in. Then from there, let's come about right here underneath the eye about right here. Nice thick neck. And we're going to start to draw the long neck of our Brachiosaurus. So right here, we're going to come out. And let's continue this neck. So we're going to keep going back and forth. And let's go out right about here. And here, and then say about right here, I'm just going to kind of curve it out a little bit. I'm going to stop it about there, and then I'm going to come back into this area right here. We're going to draw the back of our Brachiosaurus. So I'm going to come here, and we're just going to curve down for this cute little body. So we're just going to draw this little hump for the back, and then come right about here. And we're just going to bring it all together for the tail. So bring it down. See about here. And we're just going to go back and forth once again. We're just going to taper everything and connect it. So then here, we're just going to curve it out. Not too long. And here. And just connect it. There. Okay. Finally, and now it gets much easier. So now that we have this outside shape in, we can go ahead and come right back here and draw. Just follow that curve you've made. So we can separate the tummy area from the back, and then we're just going to bring this all the way down and curve and just taper everything in. There. Okay, and then now let's see here. Now we need to draw the feet, right? So let's say about right here in this area, kind of like the neck coming down. I'm going to come right about here, skip a little bit of space, and about here, I'm going to draw one big gumdrop foot. So I got one, and then we're going to come under here, kind of just touch the body and draw another one. So my goal is to try to make it about the same size. And then another one about here, and same thing. So we're just going to draw 4 of these. And one more that we're going to tuck right in the back right here. Here and whatever space you have. There, we have the feet in. Yay! Okay, so then from there we can put in some markings on the back. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to wobble the shape. And then maybe here a little one. And of course, I have to take the opportunity to say about right here, I'm just going to make one that kind of looks like a heart. To make it my draw so cute Brachiosaurus, right? And maybe here. And another one wobbling there on the tail. And let's see if I'm missing anything. Oh yes, so if you want this Brachiosaurus to be chomping on a leaf, a branch, you can come right about here where the mouth is, these 2 lines, and we're just going to draw a very simple branch. So I'm just going to come out, wobble, and then come about right here where the branch will come out. And let's see, I'm just going to try so I don't have to erase too much. Bring this out and then just add a leaf. And one more here. There, so then I don't need to erase, right? Makes it a little bit simpler. And I'm not sure if there's any markings right here, but it looks like there is. So I'm going to come right here and add one here and here, I think. But that is pretty much it for this drawing of this cute Brachiosaurus from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. I hope I helped you make this a little bit easier to draw today. And oops, almost forgot. You draw a little curve right there. Okay, and so like I said, I hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.